Let's look at our experiences through a different lens. Out there is a vast energy field, a world of elements and particles, allowing us to receive sensory input in the form of waves, which we then perceive as sound waves, light waves, and so on. Without these interpretations of the mind, the world around us is essentially neutral, silent, colorless, like water moving in lamellar flow. And so are our bodies. But we feel a strong sense of self tied to these bodies. We are very attached to things that preserve this sense of self, and we have a strong aversion to things that don't. But is this sense of self that we feel constant? Think about all the different hats we wear in life, or all the different personalities that we take on as we deem fit for the occasion. Our temperament changes constantly, like different beings passing through one sequence of events. Our experience is based on the presence of numerous causes. Our attachments, our aversions, our past actions, our perceptions, our memories, and so on. And these causes are ever-changing and momentary, like lightning striking, and together cause a resultant effect that we sense as a self. Just like different colored spotlights can come together and create a resultant white light, a sense of self is experienced which essentially has no control over its causes. Fully realizing that causes come together, manifesting ever-changing effects which we experience as the world and even as our very own selves, is the ultimate truth that can set us free. Really letting this sink in creates an absence of that outside push or pull, and with that comes an immense sense of freedom and unshakable stillness, and a peace, a sense of peace from within.